In this video, we'll write a Java program to create string from contents of a file. So we'll need to read a file and create string out of it. Okay. So before doing, I'll need to import a lot of stuff. Don't worry if you don't understand, I'll explain. But let me first import them. So I'll import java.io.io exception and java.nio dot character set dot character set and import java dot nio dot character set dot standard character set and import java dot nio dot files and import java dot nio dot files dot paths and finally java dot util dot list. There we go. So first of all, we need a path, a string data type of path of the file that we want to read. It's up to you if you want to get the file from the current directory. We already made a tutorial how to get the file from the current directory, or you can also specifically mention your path over here. So I'll just say that the path of the file. Okay, demo comment. Like, oh, you just need to mention the path. This is not the path. Okay, so I'm not passing any path. I'll just mention that you need to uh, give the path of the file. Okay, you need to give the path of the file, and we need to know that the what the encoding of the file is. So I'll say character set. We have character set of encoding. We create a variable encoding, and for encoding we say character set dot default character set. Okay, so this is the basically default coding of the character set, because we will be using this coding to read the file. And then we create a list of string data type of lines, because we'll be reading one line at a time and we'll be storing into our list called lines. So I say files dot read all lines, and inside this I say paths dot get and in get I pass my path, which you will create right over here, and other than path I'll pass my encoding as well. Okay, so this will basically read all the lines from the path of the file that we mentioned right over here, and use the encoding that we just created and read all of these lines and created a list of string lines and store it into lines. And finally we just print the lines. Okay, so if you print this and if your file has these two lines, hello python and java is good. Okay, if your file has these two lines, then your output will look something like this. Output, I can't run it because I don't have file, because I'm using online editor, so I can show the path here. So your output will look something like this. Okay, I'm just mentioning the output. You will have a list, and in list you will have first line and comma separated second line. So you will have hello python and java is good. So here you will have hello python and comma java is good. Okay, so this will be your basically output. This will be output because this is a list, and every line is comma separated value stored into your list. Okay, but if you want to convert your list into if you want to read and store it into a string, then you need to do is, also when you run you may get an error because maybe the file doesn't exist or something like that. So you must mention exception here. So you say throws your exception which we imported, which io exception. Okay, okay, now coming to the point that if we don't want list, we rather want a string, then what we need to do is we need to delete this. Let me delete all this and okay, we need to create a byte array, which is, let's say I name it encoded. This is equals to files dot read all bytes, and I'll say paths dot get. I'll pass path, and I'll create a string. Let's say lines equals to new string object, and in a string I'll pass my encoded bytes. These bytes are basically encoded. So if we pass the array of byte into a string, this will convert those bytes into a string. So we pass our encoded, which is a basically array of bytes, and we pass our encoding, which is our default character set encoding. Okay, and finally we can print or lines. Okay, so if you run this and you have file something like this, hello python java is good, then your output will simply be, something like that. You will have a hello python, and on next line you will have a uh, uh, java is good. Okay, so this will be your output instead of list. Earlier we had the output something like this, hello python and java is good. We had list, and inside list we had lines separated by comma, but when we have string we will have a output like this. There's no list in this because this is a string. So that's it with this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, I also need to explain why we have imported this is a basically input exception. This is character set which we need for to get the encoding, and this is a standard character which I was thinking to use but I did not. And then we have files to read all the bytes or lines or whatever we want, and then we have paths imported to get the path of the file, and we have imported list to create the list which we created for creating the list. Okay, so you can find the link of both codes in the description of this video, and that's it. I'll see you in next video.